Hi guys, let's look at this simple question that we have here. We are told that James invested $15,000 for 10 years at an interest rate of 10% compounded every 6 months. How much will he have at the end of 10 years? So this question involves compound interest, okay? James invested $15,000 and we're expected to calculate how much he will have at the end of 10 years if the interest rate is 10% compounded every 6 months. So the first thing we need to know is the formula involved here. Okay, so let's write down the formula. A, which is the final amount, is equal to P into 1 plus R all over N raised to power NT. Here, P is the principal, which is the money invested. R is the rate, we know it as 10%. N is the number of times the amount is compounded per year. And remember, we are told that it is compounded every 6 months. So the number of times compounded determines our value of N, and our T is the number of years. So what will be our N? Our N is going to be 2. Remember, we are told that the interest is compounded every 6 months. So we have 6 months multiplied by 2 to make 1 year. If we are told that the interest is compounded every month, then our N is going to be 12 months because 12 months makes 1 year. Okay, so let's write down the values that we have here. Our P is equal to 15,000. Our R is equal to 10%, which is equal to 0.1. Our N, we said, is equal to 2 because we are compounding every 6 months. And if we are compounding every 6 months, we are going to compound twice in a year. And then our T is equal to 10, which is 10 years. Okay, so let's put these values into the formula. So we have A is equal to 15,000 into 1 plus R is 0.1 all over N is 2 raised to power NT. That means 2 multiplied by 10. Okay, so we have 15,000 into 1 plus 0.1 all over 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 10 is going to give us 20. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is find the value here in the bracket. So 0.1 divided by 2 plus 1. 0.1 divided by 2 is going to be 0.05 plus 1 is going to be 1.05. So we have 15000 into 1.05 raised to power 20. So 1.05 raised to power 20, we're going to have 15,000 multiplied by 1.05 raised to power 20 is going to give us 2.653. Okay, so when you multiply this value, 15,000 multiplied by 2.653, our answer is going to be $39,795. So the entire money that James is going to have at the end of 10 years is going to be $39,795. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and follow for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.